Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to work with block editor in WordPress in order to add text to your web pages. Block editor was introduced sometimes in 2020, but it took a lot of updates, and basically in 2022 it's ready to use. I'm going to walk you through and show you how to add some text to your about page. So in the admin page, if you are in WordPress dashboard, you can click on pages and go to the about page we have created. And basically you don't see anything here except for a plus sign here and a plus sign here on the top left corner. You might not even see this sidebar. If I click on the gear icon, that collapses, and if I wanted to have it back, I just bring it back by clicking on it. So we're going to tuck it away for the moment. At this point, if I click on the plus sign here, I can add paragraphs, headings, lists, pull quote, go back to classic mode, which basically takes you away from the block editor, and also pre-format it. I'm going to add a heading, so let's click there and type welcome, press enter. I would like to add some paragraph here, so we're going to click on plus sign again and go for paragraph. I need some random text, so I go to lipsum.com, Lipsum, which is short for lorem ipsum. This is a text generator which basically creates copyright free text for you, and it's really easy to use. So I'm going to highlight this paragraph and copy it, going back to WordPress admin page and paste it there. So this is our paragraph. Let's press enter. I would like to add an item list. So let's go to plus sign again and click on list. Let's type item 1, item 2, and item 3. If I press the enter once, it basically asks me to add another item. But if you don't have any other item, just press enter one more time. Let's go to plus sign again and go to pull quote. I'm just going to type quote of the day. There you go. Let's update our page and take a look at our page here. So let's refresh this. All right, so we have the heading that we added, paragraph, list, and the quote, and it looks like this for this particular theme I'm using. I think it is called 2016. It's a free theme generated by WordPress itself. Let's go back here to the admin page and see what else we can do. First and foremost, if there's something here you don't like and you want to get rid of it, you can just highlight it and then click on the triple dot, go all the way to the bottom, and it says remove. If you want to add some other text formatting elements here, you can highlight the text and this little menu will pop up, so you can make the text bold, italic. You can add a link here. We'll cover that later. And basically there are some other more advanced features here which you can work with later. How about the gear icon? We can click on the gear icon here and highlight an element. For instance, I can just click and highlight the heading we have here, and I can change the font size. I'm going to go to 20. There you go, it's smaller. We can change the color here for text or the background. Let's change the text to blue and take a look. Let's highlight the paragraph. We have some new features here. Obviously, I can change the font size if I wanted to. I'm going to go 13. And I can also add drop cap. So drop cap is this little cool enlarged letter, first letter of the paragraph, and is really nice to look at, and is basically one of the typographic advanced features which is added to WordPress now. There's another plus sign here. If I click there, you see you have access to the same things here as well. Basically, you have access to paragraph, heading, list, and so forth. But We have more items hidden here as well. For instance, you can add a basic table. Let's work with that. So I'm going to go under here and I'm going to go to the plus sign table. I can create something like a 3-column, let's do 2-column and 3 rows and create. And I can type like item and price as the heading. So we can highlight this one and make it bold. Then I'm going to type item 1, for instance, $50, and item 2 for $100. We're going to update our page, go to our website and refresh the page. So there you go. We have the change of color here, the added drop cap, and now we have a table here. So very nice and straightforward. One more time, I'm going back here to the admin page. So basically, under the plus sign here on the top left, not only you have access to text elements, but also you have access to media, design, and so forth. But we will cover these in another video. At this point, all you need to do is to practice with either that one or the plus sign that appears on the page here to add a block element in order to add some text to your web page. And of course, play around with the gear icon here. Anytime you highlight something, there will be some specific stat you can modify. Thank you for watching.